and a trunk full of clothes. As I rest myself down on the bed for some time, as I stretch my hands due to yawning, it touched some wooden part and the bed turned slightly. There is lots of gems and jewelry under it. I had never that much treasure in my whole life. As I listened to someone is coming, I closed it. Stella come to my room and grabs my hand to take to the outside. We go into the room. The room is full of men which look like pirates. Obviously they are pirates as I am on the pirate ship. There is one table in the middle of the table. Everyone greeted me like welcome. I just smiled and moved forward. Stella looked at the table and the map is lying on it. Everyone gathered around the table. Pointing towards the map, Stella said that we are going to attack dragon ship. I just look at the map. She is explaining everything to us. We are going from the north side first, and then attack on them. But the problem is that when we go directly they will easily recognize us. They have very powerful weapons and bombs. They will easily destroy our ship. I don't know what will happen to me. I suddenly speak, few people will go by south side. The enemy will concentrate on them. Then the rest of us will go by north side. Everyone thought for a while and said,